So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA Champions futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you have the Bet365 app open up on your device, go to the Home tab, go to the top left and press on the NBA logo or the NBA icon in the top left hand side. Then once you're here, I want you to slide this top bar all the way to the right until you come across a tab that says Futures and press on Futures. Then the first one that comes up if you scroll down is to win outright. So this is to win the NBA championship. You can go ahead and scroll all the different odds for all the different teams. So if you wanted to place a futures bet for the NBA champions to be, let's just say, the Denver Nuggets, you can go to Denver, press on Denver, go to the bottom left and press on Set Wager, and then place your bet on the bottom right. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NBA champions futures bet here on the Bet365 app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.